Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube promote feature for Shorts. In 2026, the YouTube promote feature is a streamlined advertising tool built directly into YouTube Studio. It allows creators to pay for the increased visibility of their shorts without navigating the full Google Ads interface. Now to promote your search in YouTube, all you have to do is go ahead and open YouTube Studio either in your mobile phone or your computer. Then head to this content section located mostly at the bottom navigation bar in mobile phones or on the top left in your desktop. From there, tap on this three dotted menu icon right next to your shorts and you will find this option called promote. Go ahead and tap on it. From there, you will find your main goal options. Now select what do you want in that specific video. You want audience growth, video views, or just website views. Now, once you select your desired target, go ahead and tap next. From there, you will find which account do you want to use. Now, tap on create new account option or just tap on the using account. Now once you do so, you will see all this information like when promotion headline, and promotion description for Infinix Nepal and where it appears. As you can see, where does it appear? You will be able to find it in search that this is how it looks like when your post is being advertised. Now once you go through all this and tap on this next button, you should be able to see all these options like which location, which gender, ages, and also interest. Now once you select all that, go ahead and tap on next and you will be sent to this new option to set your budget and duration. Enter the total amount you want to spend and the end date for the campaign. A small budget of $5 to $10 can be enough for a micro boost to trigger the algorithm. And once you do so and add your payment like linked a Google account and add your payment method, then click on promote button and once approved, your short will appear as an ad in the shorts feed and search results. That is how you use this promote feature for shorts, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot in your content creation journey. Now if you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.